Hello, welcome back to Unboxed Imagination. I'm Chanel. I hope you've had a pleasant day and that you are ready for our story this evening. As per usual, I'd like to first invite you to find somewhere that you are comfortable, preferably somewhere quiet where you're undisturbed and that you're really able to value and spend time in these moments. So they're adding value to your life. I want to invite you to take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And this just really allows you to center yourself in preparation to receive the story and to listen. So, as you take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, I'm going to invite you to breathe and I'm going to give you a few counts. So, if you can breathe in through your nose, counting for 4 seconds, and then we're going to exhale for 6 seconds. So it will sound something like this or look something like this. So I'm going to show you my fingers just so you're able to see that I am counting. So breathing in, wonderful. So now that I've done it and shown you, sh shall we do it together? So when you're ready, taking a nice deep breath in through your nose, remembering to really make sure that you're comfortable, your airways are not blocked. So you're just checking whether your shoulders are nice and relaxed. The more upright you can hold your body, the better it is to let that air flow through. So once you've done that and adjusted yourself to be comfortable, I'm now going to invite you to do the exercise with me. So breathing in 4 seconds and then breathing out for six. So breathing in, and I'm recognizing perhaps it might be helpful if I actually counted. So let's try that again, and I will try to count using my words, my voice. So breathing in for four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathing out for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. What an amazing job you're doing. Now we're going to try that again. But this time I'm going to invite you in between breathing in for 4 seconds and breathing out for six. I'm going to ask you to hold for 4 seconds. So you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold that breath for 4 seconds before then breathing out for 6 seconds. So it would look something like this. Wonderful. Now it's your turn. Let's do it together. So breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, holding, 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathing out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Now I'm hoping that that's starting to feel a bit more easier and you're starting to feel a little more relaxed. Let's do that one more time, if that feels okay. And then we'll start the story. So breathing in for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. And so we shall begin the story. Today's story is called The House of Many Rooms. You're walking along a peaceful hillside, the grass soft beneath your feet, the air rich with the scent of blooming jasmine. The golden light of evening stretches across the land, painting the sky in hues of rose and amber. As you walk, a great house appears before you, majestic yet welcoming, its doors open wide, as if waiting just for you. Something about it feels familiar, as if you've always known this place, though you've never been here before. You step inside and are greeted by warmth, by light. A great hallway leads to many rooms, each one unique, each one filled with comfort and beauty. You run your fingers along the wooden banister, taking in the feeling of the home, of belonging. Then a voice speaks, steady and full of promise. Do not let your heart be troubled. In my Father's house are many rooms. I have prepared a place for you. You turn and see him, Jesus, standing near, his eyes full of kindness. You have always belonged here. A deep peace fills your chest, washing away every doubt, every lingering fear. This house, this home, it was made for you. You step into one of the rooms, and everything in it feels just right. The softest pillows, the most inviting space, the perfect place to rest. You sink into a cozy chair by the window, watching the last of the sunlight fade into the night. For the first time in a long time, you feel completely safe, completely known, completely at home. Your eyes grow heavy, your body relaxing as the promise lingers in your heart. You are loved. You are wanted. You have a place here forever. And with that, you drift into sleep, wrapped in the peace of his presence. I hope this story has given you a sense of peace and belonging, because that's such an innate part of us, to want to belong somewhere. And I just want to let you know that you do belong somewhere. You do belong somewhere. You are loved. You are wanted. You are valued. I do hope you have a wonderful night's rest. Good night and God bless.